Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
This guide explains how to use Webkit vendor prefixes in CSS today. Vendor prefixes start with Webkit and target browsers using the Webkit engine. Always write the unprefixed standard property after prefixed rules for future compatibility. Prefer feature queries and progressive enhancement instead of relying solely on prefixes. Use tools like AutoPrefixer to add Webkit automatically during your build process. Test in Safari, Old Chrome, and mobile browsers to confirm behavior and fallbacks. Document any prefixed rules and rationale in comments for future maintenance. Several CSS features still require Webkit prefixes for reliable behavior in browsers. Use Webkit text stroke for crisp text outlines and phone-friendly readability improvements. Apply Webkit backdrop filter with caution because it affects performance on older devices. For clamped multi-line text, combine display, Webkit box and Webkit line clamp. 3. Use Webkit overflow scrolling. Touch to enable smooth momentum scrolling on iOS devices. Always provide fallback styles when Webkit features are unsupported or flagged unstable. Gradient syntax and mask image. Organize your CSS with prefix declarations grouped above the unprefixed rule for clarity. Use its supports to detect standard features and avoid using Webkit when not required. Run AutoPrefixer with a defined browse list configuration to apply necessary Webkit automatically. Remove obsolete prefixes gradually after monitoring usage below 1% in your analytics. Document exceptions and include test cases to keep layout consistent across Webkit browsers. Automated testing on real devices prevents regressions that appear only in Webkit rendering. When in doubt, prefer standards-first solutions and limit prefixed code to necessary cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.